yani kwa solution ndio kwa watu na ngati stamp hiyo kwa stamp kwa hiyo
solution ife kwa bika market
The situation is bad here at Beira. Some have loaded 3-5 days ago, and they are still here. There's no seals. Now people are getting corruption to be sealed. The situation is very bad. The situation is really bad. People are suffering here.
We are suffering for sure. We are suffering.
My VP is here, suffering peacefully.
No toilets here.
No toilets, no food. We are suffering. No social distance. We are risking our lives. This is how we are surviving here. Things are not good.